Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit video thumbnails, but not just any way. This is a free way for you to edit your video thumbnails right inside of the YouTube Studio interface. How do you ask? Well, what you need to do is just head on down to the description. I have a link for a browser add-on called TubeBuddy. Just click that link, install the add-on, and you should be able to edit your video thumbnails inside of TubeBuddy. Now, why would you do this? Well, maybe you don't want to spend $53 a month on an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Maybe you are a broke YouTuber like me. Well, that's why we have TubeBuddy. So all you need to do is just install TubeBuddy from the link in the description below and go over to your YouTube Studio. Click on a video. So for example, we have this one here with a terrible thumbnail that has black bars on the side. Let's go ahead and fix this. So you just click on the pencil icon, click on this button here, and there is thumbnail generator. Or if you don't want to click on the icon, you can scroll down and you have the create thumbnail button. And in here you have the option to pick a solid color, an image for existing thumbnail, or a still frame from the video. This time we will go ahead and select still frame from video. And as you see, this is a pretty good spot, so let's go ahead and adjust this so that it should be maybe a little clearer. Anyways, as you can see, you have the ability to adjust by video frame. So unlike YouTube, where you just basically scrub through and you have to select by seconds, here you can actually go within a second and select a particular frame. So for example, most people record their videos at 30 frames per second. Well, instead of having, for example, maybe you make a video that is 3 seconds long and you just have 3 frame options, you can have 90 frame options in that 3 seconds. So it gives you a lot more precision when picking your thumbnail frame. But anyways, we'll go ahead and click continue. And we will unlock this background because we have these black bars here. And we need to fix that. So what we will do, we'll just stretch this out. It might look a little funny, but whatever. Right there looks pretty decent. So we'll lock the background, and now we can add on our text. And as you can see, we've added in our text. You can just click on that, and now you can go ahead and you can change the color to whatever you want. So I'll go ahead and change it to my classic gold color that I like by putting in my hex code. And then I'll change the size of this because this is just, okay, that's too big. Okay, that's still too big. We'll just go ahead and change that. Of course, you can add on a border. Now, the border doesn't have very many options. You just have black or white. For this, we'll go ahead and pick I think we'll go ahead and pick a white border, but we'll change the color to a green. So there we go, that looks kind of techy, and as you can see, you have different fonts that you can pick from too. And you can even upload your own font. And you can make the text bold if you want or not. But let's go ahead and let's use the font we were using earlier. This looks pretty good. And then you can even add on a logo. So I'll go ahead and upload my logo here. Now with the free version, you can only upload one picture at a time. You can't have multiple images, so it kind of limits that a little bit, but it's still good enough. And you can also add on emojis, so we'll go ahead and add one that looks confused. And then we'll add on more text. Let's add on a black border around this one, I think. Like that. Now that looks like a pretty decent thumbnail. Of course, it's not a best thumbnail. Maybe if you want a better thumbnail, you use a full program, but of course, like I showed you, Adobe's Creative Cloud is like $53 a month. So this here is already a lot better than the stock YouTube thumbnails. And this is usable right inside of your browser on the YouTube Studio page, so that is super convenient. Oh, and by the way, if you have one of the paid tiers, you can save this as a template. Now, something for them to fix would be to add in saving this. As you can see, when we went back, it changed the size of our background, so that's something that needs to be fixed. There you go. Whoops, I screwed up again. I meant to save this as a template. Here we go. So now, just to show you how that works, we'll go ahead and delete all the layers. And as you can see, we have our templates here. So here's one that I've made. I've made another one. And I've made multiple templates here. And of course, you click on them and it applies there. But there you go. That is how you edit a video thumbnail right inside of YouTube using TubeBuddy. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, peace.